Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious fajita enchiladas with ease. We will start by gathering all our fresh ingredients, ensuring everything is ready for a smooth cooking process. Next, we will prepare a savory filling by sautéing your chosen protein and vibrant vegetables, seasoned to perfection. Then, we will carefully assemble each enchilada, rolling the flavorful mixture into warm tortillas with a generous sprinkle of cheese. Finally, we will bake them until they are wonderfully golden and bubbly, ready to be enjoyed by everyone. Let's dive into creating the heart of our enchiladas, the fajita filling. Begin by thinly slicing one large onion and two colorful bell peppers into uniform strips, which helps them cook evenly. Next, in a hot skillet, cook 1 pound of your preferred protein, whether it's tender chicken or savory beef strips, until it's beautifully browned. Then, add your prepared vegetables to the skillet, sautéing them until they are tender crisp. Finish by seasoning generously with about 2 tablespoons of fajita seasoning, ensuring every bite is bursting with authentic flavor. Now comes the fun part, assembling our delicious enchiladas. First, gently warm 12 corn or flour tortillas. This makes them soft and easy to roll without tearing. Next, spread about 1/4 cup of your favorite enchilada sauce evenly across the bottom of a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Take each warm tortilla and fill it with approximately 1/3 cup of the savory fajita mixture, adding a sprinkle of shredded cheese. Carefully roll each tortilla tightly and place it seam side down in your prepared baking dish, arranging them snugly. It's time to bring our fajita enchiladas to golden perfection in the oven. Begin by pouring 1½ cups of your delicious enchilada sauce evenly over all the rolled tortillas in the dish. Then, generously sprinkle about 1 cup of shredded Monterey Jack or cheddar cheese over the top, ensuring a gooey, melted crust. Bake your enchiladas in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the cheese is bubbly and golden. Serve immediately, garnished with fresh cilantro, a dollop of sour cream, or creamy guacamole for an unforgettable meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.